A naked dancer moves gracefully within an oval wreath, holding two wands as she steps forward in rhythmic balance. In the four corners of the card appear the winged angel, eagle, lion, and bull, symbols of the fixed signs and the harmony of the elements. The world is completion, integration, mastery, and joyful embodiment, the fulfillment of the fool's journey. The dancer is the central symbol. Her nudity represents authenticity, transparency, and the shedding of all false identities. She moves effortlessly, poised between steps, showing mastery not as stillness but as dynamic harmony. Her violet sash flows around her like a cosmic current, suggesting that she is aligned with the rhythm of life. She is the soul fully realized, expressive, free, and attuned. The wreath surrounding her is the first supporting symbol. Shaped like a mandorla, an ancient symbol of the sacred portal, it represents wholeness, protection, achievement, and the union of opposites. Tied with red ribbons, it signifies cyclical completion, endings that lead into beginnings. The wreath is both boundary and gateway, showing that mastery contains its own renewal. The second symbol is the pair of wands she holds. They echo the magician's wand, but doubled, representing balanced mastery of conscious and unconscious, inner intention and outer manifestation. These wands are not tools of control, but instruments of alignment, symbols of the ability to co-create with life rather than wrestle with it. The third symbol is the quartet of living creatures in the corners: the angel, Aquarius, air; the eagle, Scorpio, water; the lion, Leo, fire; and the bull, Taurus, earth. They represent the stability of all fixed signs, the wholeness of the elements, and the integration of all aspects of self. These beings appeared earlier in the wheel. Here they show full alignment. They are witnesses to the soul's completion. The fourth symbol is the blue background, calm and all-enveloping. Unlike the shifting skies of earlier cards, this sky represents equilibrium, spiritual clarity that is not momentary but sustained. The blue field signifies the completion of the initiation, the soul at peace with itself and its place in the cosmos. The fifth symbol is the dancer's forward step. She is not static. She moves across the threshold into a new cycle. Mastery is not an endpoint, but a state of graceful transition. Her movements show that completion naturally leads into rebirth. Together, these symbols reveal the world as the archetype of fulfillment, mastery, integration, and joyful embodiment. It is the moment when all parts of the self harmonize and the soul feels at home in existence. It is not perfection, but wholeness, nothing missing, nothing denied. In readings, the world signifies completion, achievement, celebration, integration, travel, mastery, and entering a new phase. It blesses closure and invites expansion. Its counsel: honor what you have completed, step confidently into the next cycle. Its shadow warns only against resisting closure or clinging to the past. The world teaches that completion is both culmination and commencement, and the dance continues.